What's up, Pyros? I'm back with another stash video, the last one, I think number 3. And my first, I'm gonna start off with this 500 gram from Pyro box called Heavy Hitter. That's a nice cake. Never shot that before. It's my first time having Pyro box. And I got, that red and green. I got this from this, what that is, Pyro Demon, Squirrel. I got quite a few freebies. I got these fuse for free, those Roman candles, these joint forces. And as we go over here, I got this called Rapid Fire from Pyro box. Kind of remind you of Post Pounder. But I think these are better. It is a video out here. And it's my wife. This is a fountain. I think it's Wild Hog. My wife picked that out. Then we go over here. I got a case right here. 3-1. Road to the 4. Pyro Diablo. And over here, something I never tried before. Went in blind buying these. Supposed to be overloads, but they're not. And this one called Queen of Hearts. I believe they're gonna be a nice little cake. It's a video out on this one. It's alright. And another one, I did lit this one off. This one called Poisonous Snake. It's nice. I wish it was an OL, but it's not. But it's nice colors. And we got another one over here. Power Salute by Pyro box. Haven't shot this one off yet. A video out on this one too. And it's a nice cake right here. Can't wait to shoot this one on. And we go down here, Pyro Diablo, Noisemaker got a case of these. Shot one of these, oh man. Baby loud and break big, man. Brakes on it, you can't believe it. And now for the big boys. Yeah, I know what that is. Yes, sir. Can't believe I came across these. Yeah, I know what this one is. Yeah, man, that's it. Last one for the year, man. Spent way too much money. Yeah, that's it right here. Final stash. Thank y'all for watching.